Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can print only one specific page in MS Word, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to print only one specific page in MS Word, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So first and foremost, I want you to make sure that all your pages are already proper and ready to be printed, especially the specific page that you want to print. So if you want to make some changes and add more contents on your documents, do it first before we do the printing process. And once you're sure that all your papers are already proper and ready to be printed, you can now go to the printing section on MS Word, so just click this Files tab at the top. And then go to the Print section. And once you're on the Print section, here at the Pages Preview, I want you to navigate to the one specific page that you want to print. There is a page label here that will show you what page you are currently in. This will make it easier for you to know if you are already on the page that you want. So let's just say that the page I want to print is the page 2 of my document. All I have to do is to scroll up or down until I reach the page 2. And now that we're on the page that we want to print, just click this option right here. And then select this Print Current Page option, since this is the option that will allow us to only print the current page that we selected. And after selecting it, it's done. You can now click the print button and then your printer will now print the specific page you selected. But in my case, my laptop is currently not connected to any physical printer, so it won't print anything. But for you, as long as you're connected to one, it will automatically print it as soon as you click this button. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.